It's time for a box full of magic, because this one comes from Magic Buttons. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video, it's time for a multi-game card from the 90s. So this one was sent in by Magic Buttons just to borrow and to check out here on the channel and to show you. And I can tell you, I was pretty surprised with this one. If you look at it, there's one thing that I find very interesting. It's a very small collection and it's Super Mario Family. I have personally never seen this cartridge before. And if you look at the list over here, you can see there are some pretty interesting games on it. There is even Japanese version, American version, Flying Raccoon, okay. I have really no clue what is that all about, but Baby Mario, Dr. Mario, Super Mario, Mickey Mouse and Bowling. Okay, are the last couple of games series Mario games? Alright, so there's nothing much to see about the cartridge. It's just a typical grey cartridge from the 90s. So let's try it out. Let's see if it's working and what are we going to get and play some games. Let's go! Alright, so okay, this is the first time I have seen this kind of multi-game card, Super Mario Family. So you must understand, back in the 90s this was a big deal. But then there's the question, do we have the original games or just basically very horrible rip-off? Alright, let's find out. Let's find out. I'm very curious. Alright people, so for the final conclusion for this old multi-game card, I must say I am very surprised. It's a very small collection, and yeah, they still messed it up with the last couple of games. Let's see, Baby Mario was not really even a Mario game. Let's see what we had more. There was another one. There was Mickey Mouse series, Mickey Mouse and bowling, the same story. So we have basically, let's say, 6 games that are working. So yeah, back in the day, you must understand, when in the 90s having this, you're having all the Mario games with some extra versions on it. That's pretty damn cool, don't you think so? So yeah, this is what you're going to get. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description for the store, where you can find all of these awesome products. To conclude this video, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel and subscribe to both channels and hit that little bell. Yeah, the bell, you know. Hit the bell, you know, the little bell at the side of the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that one. Time to go away. Let's go. See you next video. With Mario. Or something else. See you next time.